Greetings, traders, and welcome to another day of getting some more trade scalper type trades today. It's Wednesday. That is September 27, 2017. Market is Nasdaq, session is New York. And as we can see here, we are using the Nasdaq December 2017 contract 1 minute chart and the date of today. And as we can see here, the current time, we're getting started just a bit late today. And let's have a look at the economic calendar for today and see what's going on, right? So it looks like we have the petroleum report coming out in just a few minutes here, 7 minutes actually, and the later on today we'll have some more look like non-moving market moving events, I should say. And so we can see that here is the start of the session here, right here. We did, where is it? Right here. You can see it there. We did get one. I didn't get an opportunity to take advantage of it, but it was right up in this area here. We also, there was one right around this mark right up in here. And so we'll go ahead and put a little sticky by it too. Atlas line alert, Nasdaq 5 minute, and look like we've gotten an Atlas line. I do have the Atlas line charts up to, right now as we speak, and albeit we are doing the trade scalpers, but let's have a look and see what's going on with that one. And as we can see here, during the London session, the market was pretty much below the line, so there were nothing but shorts. Then, right at the start of the New York session, denoted by this gold line here, things changed and price went to the upside, and so there was one there, and look like another one forming here. As you can see, the Atlas line, and price is above it, right? So that's what that that alert you just got denotes. So we're watching to see what we can get here in the form of a trade. And disclaimer time connotes the fact that trading is risky. You should not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. No mortgage money or rent money or payment for bills, right? It's a zero-sum game. There are winners and there are losers. And you just need to know what you're doing before you jump in, because it's not a lottery, no $1 million paydays or anything like that. Not gonna happen. So just go into this with your eyes wide open and learn before you attempt to earn. Alright, so that's my spiel. Now let's see here, we'll watch and see what we got going on here today. Just to mark the charts up a little bit here. You can see we have this formed up here. And so we'll be looking to do shorts to the short side unless things change, right? So we'll watch and see what we could do. See what we can do today. And so we see there is something that could be forming right up in here. Let's have a look. See here, it's here. So this is live. We're doing this one here. So we'll watch and see what we can get going here today. Alright, so we also have kind of seen something else forming up on the buy side of things, all hinging on this particular down sloping line here. We could also see that, as I noted yesterday, and I set up this one here, looks like another bear flag or bear pennant. So just kind of have it on the chart here. Kind of helps, gives visuals. And right now, it's 10:32. So the release of the crude oil is taking place, so didn't really seem to have any effect on the markets thus far here. And so we'll watch and see if we can get some things to take place and happen for us. Just see a lot of bunching, not a whole lot of range going on here. So the yield energy is down a bit, down to about 2.5 points, and we'll see. And so as you can see right now, 0 in the tail. We'll try to change that shortly here. So we have some movements going on here, and let's see if we can get in here on some action. Yield has went up a bit to about 3 points, so we have a little bit more energy being injected into the market. So it had something to do with that residual crude oil.
Order filled.
And we are in the trade. Let's break it down some. Come on here. See here, and it's 1275. Right there. Nasdaq trade scalper 1 minute. And as you can see, we got the alert, but we had already kind of front ran the situation here. Just to get in, you will know this pattern in advance. All right.
Target filled.
And we got a quick fill. 2 bars. Not bad. Not bad at all. Right? And so we'll get our first trade scalper. Trade 50. See. Right there. Great way to start the day, and that's only what, 16 minutes into the session. No, hour and 6 minutes into the session. And we'll watch and see what else we can get here. Go ahead and take that one off.
Order canceled.
Right now. To learn how you can get your hands on this incredible trading method, Trade Scalper 3, click the link below. Get started today. Bye for now.